Welcome to my channel. How to connect Orbi router to Internet Motorola. Step 1. Unbox and prepare the Orbi router. Unbox your Orbi router and satellites. Ensure you have all necessary components, including the router, satellites, power adapters, and Ethernet cables. Step 2. Power off your modem. Unplug your Motorola modem from the power source. Disconnect any existing router from the modem if applicable. Step 3. Connect the Orbi router to the modem. Connect one end of an Ethernet cable to the yellow Internet port on your Orbi router. Connect the other end of the Ethernet cable to the modem. Plug in the modem's power adapter and wait for it to fully boot up. Step 4. Power on the Orbi router. Plug in the Orbi router's power adapter. Press the power button on the Orbi router if it has one. Wait for the Orbi router's power LED to turn solid white or blue. Step 5. Set up the Orbi network. Download the Orbi app from the App Store, iOS, or Google Play Store, Android. Open the Orbi app on your smartphone or tablet. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an Orbi account or log into an existing account. Follow the app setup instructions to configure your Orbi router. Step 6. Test the connection. Connect your devices to the new Orbi Wi-Fi network. Test the internet connection by browsing websites or streaming content to ensure everything is working correctly.